Today we got a pretty fun one for you. We're going to be taking a look at the Rage RC Aeroboard, so let's get into it. Now the Aeroboard from Rage RC is a micro drone, and it comes loaded with a bunch of features that should make this board extremely beginner friendly to new pilots. And those features include a 6-axis gyro, one-touch takeoff and landing, and an altitude hold. There's even 3 different flying modes, so you can increase the level of control you have over this as you get more comfortable with it. There's even a left to right 360 flip mode. And if you've been following our channel for a while, you would know these are the same features found on the Rage RC Volatar X. And what's really cool, aside from the drones themselves, you can pick up these little racing hoops separately. There's 2 in each package. They're like a paperish cardboard material. You can build them, pop them up, and they come with suction cups to stick them down on. Pretty cool. You can get a few of these hoops and set up a whole like drone racing course right in your house or garage. And aside from the orange skater color theme we're looking at today, there's also a robot and patriot scheme as well. And not only are the color of the little driver, skater, whatever you want to call them, figures different, the blades are different on all 3, also matching the color of the little dude. So let's get this guy unboxed and take a closer look. All right, and there it is out of the box. This little guy is super trick, very small, micro like it says, and extremely light. This thing weighs absolutely nothing, even with the battery installed in there. And I really like this setup. I wish I knew more about drones for the proper termination, but it does have 1 motor facing up, 1 motor facing down on either side to give it that skateboard, snowboard kind of looking drone effect. Really cool, and I'm curious to see how it handles. I've never flown a drone that has this kind of motor setup with the motors basically stacked on top of each other. You're going to have access to the manual and this little FCC guide in the bottom of the box. Manual is just a pamphlet style fold out. Nothing too crazy or fancy there. You do have your spare parts list right there. You do also have a little goodie bag with stickers for your little driver figure and drone, along with a screwdriver and the USB style charger for the battery. To access that metal battery, you just have to press that middle clip to the side, and you can see where you just press in and pull up. It's going to be located underneath there. You can pull that thing and check it out. It's just a tiny little 1S 380 mod 25C LiPo, and it's going to give your drone run times of about 7 minutes. One thing I was bummed about, I wish the arms could move on this little dude. I mean, it's understandable that they don't, but it doesn't look like it'd be too hard to either remove this guy, break it off, whatever you got to do, and stick like a little Lego man up there. That'd be pretty sweet also. Now this thing does have motor and propeller guards on there, but they are super thin, so I am worried if you have a big crash, these little guys might crack and break. Maybe not though. This drone, like I said, it does weigh absolutely nothing. Taking a closer look at the remote, this thing is super tiny and cheap. It's definitely for like baby hands, but it all is fully proportional. You got your left and right joysticks, you got up and down arrows, side to side arrows over here. You have a little button here, a little 3-mode selector here, which I'm guessing is for the 3 different modes that this can fly on. On and off switch up here, you got a turbo mode. When you press that, it's going to give this drone a little bit extra speed. And then you also got your flip mode, which if it's like the helicopters, you got to turn your joystick to the right or left and then click that flip button and it'll do the stunt for you. On the back of this guy, that's where you're going to insert your 3 AAA batteries. Now this remote is so small, I can hold it in one hand, and if I was pretty decent, I might be able to fly it like that. But I don't want to risk it, so we're going to go pick up someone special to help us film. But before we do that, we're going to go in where it's warm to throw the stickers on that guy. We'll see you out on the flying field. And there he is. Let's get a round of applause in the chat for cameraman Derek back wearing my Texas rain jacket, looking at that little tiny skateboard drone looking Aeroboard, dude. What do you think about, Derek? First thoughts.
Where is this from?
Rage RC.
Rage RC?
Yes.
Love Rage, always great products.
Yeah, we flew the Tribus, you know, almost to the next county.
Yeah, that was a fun experience.
We got one of their rockets in a tree.
I mean, this is cool. This guy, you know, he looks like he looks like he's wearing a fanny pack, but no, I mean, the guy looks pretty cool. I mean, this is a pretty solid looking guy. I don't know how it's gonna fly. I'd assume it'll fly pretty solid.
A little breezy out today.
There's a little breeze. That's probably about 1.5 mile an hour, some crap, not even 2 mile an hour. But I'm back on break. It's gonna be like a one-time video for you guys until Christmas break. So be surprised Daddy Derek's on this camera right now. But
all right, so we're gonna hold the power on. Battery's already in it.
We hope that
should go solid here. Hopefully.
Me too. Well, guys, hope you like my haircut. It's botched, but if you can't tell, Devin has no idea what the hell he's doing. Typical day. We figured out there's an on and off button on the drone. So
there we go. Gotta edit that out. Got the LEDs on there. They're gonna be hard to see up in the air in the daytime, but you got red on the back, white on the front.
Yeah, you can see it on the camera. Pretty sick. I was about to say, I'm gonna back a little up. This guy really doesn't know how to fly. I'm gonna be honest with you folks. There's a butterfly.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Okay. Whoa. 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 Told you he wasn't a good flyer.
Hey, come on now. Come on. I'm not that.
He's not gonna get a degree in aviation school. I'll be that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Look at that.
Now we're in.
We're hovering.
Yeah.
We're hovering.
It needs trimmed up a little bit here.
We're hovering. Neighbors are probably wondering what the heck that whining sound is.
So this is mode 1. So when you turn the controls, there's really not a lot of forward and backwards. You do get the full side to side, but it is really slow, as you can see. So like if this gets caught in a breeze, it is going to take it quite a bit. You want one of those higher modes, either the intermediate or advanced, to really have full control over this thing. But when you go up to those modes, it's going to be a lot quicker reaction time. So this guy's hovering okay. It does go a little bit to the left.
A little bit.
Does not hover perfectly in place, and it does not necessarily want to go forward that well either. So we're going to try to trim this up. Thankfully, this remote's pretty easy. It actually has arrows of what trim is what. Got a little bit of a breeze right there, so we got to wait a second.
I mean, it hovers pretty good, being pretty stale at the position.
Alright, so now it's going a little bit too far forward. We're just going to trim it one back.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Alright, we're going to auto land that.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's in the tree.
Oh boy.
They're in the trees! There's Devin. He's getting it from the tree. Jeez.
This thing weighs like 1
Cut that out too. My God, potty mouth over here.
PG-13.
Damn, alright.
I'm just passionate.
You know, as someone who works at a radio station, the FCC would give a $7 grand fine for that.
FCC, don't let me be. That's cool. So we're gonna crank this up to mode 2. And there you go. It's fighting the wind a little bit better. It gives it a little bit more power on the motors. Little bit more circular power. Oh, I'm gonna have to bring it down.
Yep.
Dang it.
Yeah, it looks a lot better. Get an undershot here.
Yeah, that's good right there.
Look at that. Look at that undershot. Yeah, you guys like that? That's my new angle. Look at that under angle. Impressive. That's what that is. Oh, oh, oh!
I saw a prop fly off. Found it.
Yeah? How's it?
Still in good shape. It just popped off.
There you go. Yeah, see? Pops right on.
Yeah, pops right on. We're good.
Boom, bang, look, gang. It's not that bad of a breeze. It's just Devin doesn't know how to pilot.
Bro, your hair's flowing right now.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good flow, isn't it? This guy's jealous. What am I talking about? I look like a soccer dad. Anyway.
I'm not even, that's just straight up breeze taking that down.
Yeah. Well, also, it's very, very light.
We're going to go up here a little bit. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Oh
No!
Are you serious? No.
Do you see that? Are you joking right now? Oh, that's on 4X. Hold on, back it up. Look at that.
We're going to try turbo. Maybe flip. Oh no.
You're an idiot.
I was trying to do the flip mode and the breeze caught it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, me and cameraman Derek decided to do a little bit of drone retrieval. And we used a non-YouTube supported method. I think you can guess what we did. And on the first attempt with the 2.2, I was a little too accurate.
Not good.
So I was aiming for the branch that was stuck in here. And it went just a little bit that way. And now we got a nice hole in the flight board, your little ESC receiver. Motors are all good though, so that's nice. I think we can tape that up and use it again, maybe. We got a war wound victim over here. And the battery tray door. Now the little metal piece is nowhere to be found, except for the little remnants right there. Time for final thoughts?
Good shot.
Yeah. I mean, I was planning to do another battery pack through it and build up these hoops and fly it through the hoops. I mean, we do have like 10 more of these.
You want to know something we have more than 10 of? Trees.
Just a few.
Probably about 69 of them. You in
The
stunt mode. You in stunt mode get stuff stuck. That's what I've started to notice with you.
Well, we got to show the people the stunt modes, man.
Yeah, but you're like weird.
Blame the manufacturer. Don't blame me.
I'm not gonna blame the manufacturer. It's pretty well built. This is solid. It's just the only thing you're good at is getting it out of the tree. Even then, I mean,
we still got a rocket to recover.
I can see right through that thing.
So after we blew up our other one, whipped out. Is this the Patriot?
Yeah.
Kind of like the superhero looking one.
It's all right.
Yeah, I like the skater the best. Robot's cool. This one's like, I don't know. Looks a little more toyish. I mean, they're all toys, but
yeah.
Anyway, got this. We just showed you. Got the hoops all built up. They came out pretty good. Unfortunately, the suction cups, they're not gonna stick out here, especially in this cold and not to brick. But
it's about 23 some degrees.
Yeah, we got a little brick there. Some bricks holding that one up, so we got a little less room for error, but I think we'll be okay.
Should be fun.
Hopefully this doesn't end back up there again, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We're gonna go right to mode 3 on the transmitter to give us the most control, and then we're gonna do the auto takeoff and land, or at least try it. We're gonna try to do a flip. We're gonna hit turbo mode a couple times, and we're gonna try to fly through some hoops.
Oh!
See if we can do it lower. Oh, our battery compartment door's open.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little sketchy sometimes, guys. Ooh. There you go.
Try to do it right here. So I think you gotta hold it.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little delay. There we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
You can do it pretty low.
It's pretty neat. Woo-hoo. Trying to hit the camera guy.
Let's try turbo here. So
all right, we're gonna...
This is full speed normally. Okay.
Got a little groove to her.
Turbo.
Woo-hoo.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that thing go.
That is considerably faster.
Uh-oh. Onto the ice it goes. Oh, I picked it up. Oh!
I don't know. I think we should get the 22 again.
Yeah, maybe. There we go.
Oh, the battery fell out.
Oh, that's not good.
That's why it was. Oh, no, we did lose a prop.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, do you see the prop? Devin, what's wrong with it, man?
Ain't got no gauge.
Yeah, well.
Okay, so after the crash, it was flying willy-nilly. Well, it turns out you have to recalibrate it, and also the props are directional. I stuck a bottom prop on the top, and it basically went like that. So, you just wanted to lean forward, so the props are directional on the top and bottom. But to recalibrate it, you just turn your radio on here, hold that till it's on, and then you gotta act like you're gonna fly it. So you gotta go up, down, and then you do this. And then the LEDs are gonna flash on there. They should turn solid. Yep. Now it's calibrated. Now you're good to go.
Shot. Wow. That's a great. Oh shit! I got that on camera. Wow! What a shot. I hope that makes the final cut.
All right, so that's gonna do it for the Rage RC Aeroboard. Probably the most frustrating video that I've filmed so far. Had a couple little issues with it. For one, the gyro on this little guy, it's just not the best, okay? You get that a lot with these micro drones. It's not terrible, but like each flight's gonna be a little bit different. You're probably gonna have to recalibrate it every time you fly it just to get it back in sync. There are trim buttons, so you can somewhat dial it in. And keep in mind, we were flying outdoors. There's been a slight breeze every single time we film this thing, except right now. This is literally the only dead spot we've had the entire time. Other than that, we were fighting a breeze, so we couldn't get it exactly 0. That being said, if you're flying indoors, I think you're gonna be in a lot better shape. And then other than that is battery life. It says 7 to 8 minutes. It is really cold. I think it's what, 32 out today maybe?
It's cold.
Yeah, so it's pretty cold, and we're only getting maybe about 4 to 5 minutes of flight time right now. So if you're interested in this, I would recommend picking up a second, maybe a third battery pack to go with this one to get you a lot more runtime. And then finally, it's not the easiest thing in the world to fly. The Volatar X, the Tribus 250, the Herocopter, they were all way easier to fly than this guy. It is a little bit trickier, especially with the under-over motors being pretty much directly on top of each other. It's a little more reactive. It's a little more nimble than a regular drone or quadcopter. So just keep that in mind. It is going to be a little trickier to fly. But once you get it down and you start going through the hoops, it is pretty fun. So if you're interested in the Rage RC Aeroboard or any other Rage RC products, links will be down in the description below, or you can head directly over to our website at www.nauticalrc.com. And remember, keep it naughty.